Hey guys, it's Gina. I am super excited to share with you my new container I got, and I'm going to tell you about it. If you are looking for, there's a lot of uses you could use for this container. I specifically got it to hold the dryer sheets in my laundry room. I think that's actually what it's really meant for, but you could put a ton of things in here. You could put cotton balls in here. You could put clothespins in here. You could put candy in here. I will tell you a little bit about how it comes. I just love little cute containers like this. When it arrives, this is actually not screwed on there. They actually give you a little screwdriver and the screw to put the lid on. I will tell you all the way around the lid, you do have this kind of rubber seal, which I really like that. I'm going to be honest with you, for a kind of plastic container, this is really cute. It also comes with, and I'm thinking this is maybe for somebody who wants to use it for laundry detergent, or if you wanted to use it for like a bleach brightener, laundry brightener, you can, but it comes with this cute little scoop. Is that not the cutest little thing you ever saw? Anyway, it also comes with labels. So there are labels for laundry pods. I didn't even think about that. Those little pods. I don't use those, but you could. Laundry pods, laundry powder, dryer sheets, and clothespins. You can write right on these and put it on the front. I might do that. I might just make one with my label maker, but let's check it out. So I have my laundry sheets here. This is really what I got it for. And look, they slide right in. I love having cute little containers. This is going to go perfect in my laundry room. So I would say if you are like me and love little cute containers like this, definitely want to check this one out. I will tell you really quick too, that actually seals up really good right there. This is wood on the top, so just in case you wanted to know about that. Again, super cute container, all kinds of uses. I would definitely say check this one out. This is a great find.